this is the Whirlpool 6 cents. And this is actually the last look of the washing machine. Because there's actually been a bit of a problem with the washing machine. One of them is rust, and another one is that it doesn't really clean well. So this is going to be the last look before it be replaced by a new Miele one. So, firstly, this is like the time where you put the washing machine in. Isn't really that wide, except it's still able to fit clothes in and stuff. Yeah, it actually is pretty gunky down there, so this is in pretty condition. It also does smell the washing machine. And this is what it looks like inside. It's great, and this is this. Just notice this. Can't see but this is wobbling a little bit. So it is actually a little bit unbalanced. Next, you have the detergent drawer, which is also looking in mediocre condition. Well, it is mediocre because it's from 2005, and this is 2018, so it's 13 years old and it's in bad condition. Here is the main detergent drawer. You put the main detergent in. That's your pre-wash, and that is your fabric softener. I actually use fabric softener here. So go and turn this on, and this is what you get. So you've got programs like. So first, before you go into programs, let's take a look at the options. So you have easy ironing, which probably does this spin spin. You have eco, which except on eco, unless you can't actually put the temperature up to 95 degrees. So it's an economy program. You have pre-wash, which is a pre-wash program, but notice you can't actually have eco. But you can't actually have eco and pre-wash on at the same time. And if you have easy selected, you can't also have intensive rinse on the program either. So you can either have easy on intensive rinse or eco and pre-wash. Intensive rinse is like just intensive rinse. You also have rinse hold, which actually holds the water in, and if it was rinse hold, that light would come on. Then you have a spin, so you've got 1200, 800, then you have 400, then you have 100, which I haven't been able to film. Oh dear, I'm not able to film the 100 RPM spin, which is actually disappointing. You have temperature options here. You can go up to 60, so you've got 50 and 60. You can actually also go up to, you have white cotton, that was actually on colour cotton. So on colour cotton, you can only go up to 60 degrees. But on white cotton, you can go all the way up to 95. And you also have 80 and 70. Yeah, it's where they have these plus buttons, which you could do this range here. But also know that on some models, there is actually an indicator telling you how much time there is left. This one doesn't have it. Door open sign. And it can go all the way down to 20 degrees, which is actually the coldest option. You have white cotton and coloured cotton, which is 3 coloured. Synthetic spin only goes as far as 800, except it does go up to 60 degrees. Rapid Plus also goes up to 60 degrees, and it is 1200. This is the quickest cycle you want if you'll get stuff done in time. Then you have Delicate, which is limited to 40 degrees and 800 RPM. Wool is kind of the same. Then you have Silk, which is actually set to 0, and you could choose, but that does go up to 400. Wow. Then you have your drain, Geon spin, limited spin. Now, so pretty much that is like last look or something. We're not able to do all the programs and options, but I think Delicate on Silk, which is what I will show, you can't actually select any of these options. But yes, you can select rinse hold. On these options. So yeah, that's pretty much the last look at the washing machine. Rest in peace, 6 cents. Anyways, so that is it for the video. Like, comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and make sure you comment #YEETY literally got boy of the week. And after this, make sure you go check out more videos by other people. That's it.